Welcome to Houseplants Daily. In today's video, we are going to explain a beautiful south-facing house plan with a stunning modern elevation. This house is designed on 33 feet by 50 feet with the total plot area is 1749 square feet and the ground floor built-up area is 1200 square feet and first floor built-up area is 615 square feet. This is G plus 1 design, meaning ground floor plus one floor, upper floor. Let us start with elevation first, and then we'll go room by room through the ground floor and first floor plans. Now let us look the front elevation of this house. Since this house is south facing, the front of the building faces south side, which means this is the view you will see from the road. The overall style is modern contemporary with a clean, bold look. At the ground floor level, you can see a near sit-out porch area with steps coming from the road level. Steps have a simple steel railing on one side. The main entrance door is beautiful, wooden finished door placed right in the center of the ground floor. On either side of the main door, there are large glass windows that allow good natural light into the living room inside. Now look at the left side of the elevation. You can see beautiful natural stone cladding in grey and brown color. This stone texture gives a very rich and earthy look to the building. On the stone wall, there is also a decorative metal art piece, a lotus or flower design, which adds a very elegant and artistic touch to the front of the house. On the right side of the ground floor, the wall is finished in the plain white plaster with a dark grey vertical column, giving a sharp and structural look. Now moving to the first floor, you can see a full width balcony running across the south side. The balcony has a glass and steel railing, which gives an open and modern feel. Behind the balcony on the left side, the first floor, you can see a large window with plain white wall finish. On the right side, on the first floor, there is a beautiful exposed brick texture in the red orange color. This brick finishes add warmth and character to the elevation. At the very top of the building, on the right side, there is a bold orange and yellow box projection that stands out strongly against the white parapet wall. This color blocks makes the building look very vibrant and eye-catching from the road. In the center top area, there is a decorative jolly panel, a laser cut or CNC screen design in a geometric and floral pattern. This is placed just above the balcony level and gives a premium finish to the roof line. The overall color palette of this elevation is mix of grey stone, white plaster, brick red, and orange yellow. A very attractive and modern combination. Now let us go to move to the ground floor. As I said, this is south-facing house, so the main entrance is from the south side. As you enter, from the road on the south side, the first space you reach is the sit-out, which is 17 feet 6 inches by 5 feet. This is along the comfortable sit-out area running across the front of the house. You can place chairs here, keep plants, or just use it as a relaxing space in the evening. From the sit-out, you enter through the main door and into the house. As soon as you step into inside, you enter the living room cum dining area, which is very spacious, 16 feet 9 inches by 21 feet 9 inches. This is the heart of the house. On the west wall of the room, you can see the TV unit marked in the plan. In front of it, there is a space for comfortable sofa set. On the east wall, there is a large window which brings in good natural light and air from the east side. The dining area is part of this small, same large room, so you can place your dining table conveniently between the kitchen and the living area. This single large room handles both the living and dining functions, which makes the ground floor feel very open and spacious. On the west side of the living room, there is a passage of 5 feet by 11 feet, like 9 inches. This passage connects to the living room, to the kitchen, puja room, and bedroom. It acts as a circulation corridor for the entire ground floor. Just beside the passage, you can see the small puja room. It is neatly placed in the center west zone of the house, which is easily accessible from the living room and passage. On the southwest side of the ground floor, we have a master bedroom, which is 7 feet by 16 feet. This is well-sized room that can comfortably accommodate a double bed, side tables, a wardrobe, and dressing unit. The master bedroom has a window on west wall and door opening towards the passage and living area. The room is in the southwest zone, which is good, quiet location from away from the main entrance activity. Beside the master bedroom on the west side, there is an attached toilet of 11 feet by 6 feet. This toilet is directly accessible from the master bedroom for the convenience of for the owners. Now let us go to the northeast corner of the ground floor. Here we have kitchen, which is 7 feet by 10 feet. This is a well-planned kitchen with enough space for platform, sink, stove, and storage cabinets. There is a window on west wall of the kitchen for ventilation and natural light while cooking. Next, right to the kitchen, in the northwest area, we have common toilet, 8 feet by 4 feet 9 inches, and beside it, a wash area of 3 feet 3 inches by 4 feet 9 inches. This common toilet can be used by guests and by the members using the kitchen area. On the northeast side of the ground floor, we have a kids bedroom, which is 11 feet by 11 feet. This room is well lit with a large window on the north wall. It has enough space for a single bed, study table, and wardrobe, perfect for children's room. On the north side, in the northwest corner, just to the outside of the north wall, you can see borewell mark. This is a water source for the house. On the south side of the ground floor, we have staircase going up to the first floor. The steps are clearly shown in the plan. Just outside the building, on the southeast, you can see the septic tank mark. That this is properly placed outside the building, footprint as required. Now let us go to the first floor. The first floor built-up area is 615 square feet. So it is partial first floor, not a full floor like ground floor. On the south side of the first floor, we have a large balcony, 17 feet by 4 feet 6 inches. This balcony runs across the full front width of the house. As you saw in the elevation, this balcony has a glass and a steel railing and gives a beautiful view of road and surroundings. As you come up the staircase, you arrive at the foyer area of 16 feet 9 inches by 8 feet 3 inches. This is the landing and the circulation space of on the first floor that connects the balcony, the master bedroom, and the open terrace area. On the southwest side of the first floor, we have a master bedroom of 11 feet by 16 feet, the same size as the ground floor plan, master bedroom. This room has a door opening to the foyer and a window on the west wall. It is spacious and comfortable bedroom with good privacy. On the west side, attached to the first floor master bedroom, we have the attached toilet of 8 feet by 6 feet and a wash area of 3 feet 3 inches by 6 feet. These are neatly placed beside the bedroom for easy access. In the center of the first floor, above staircase, you can see the overhead syntax water tank marked. This water storage tank placed on the top of the building for gravity-based water supply throughout the house. Remaining large area on the north side of the first floor is open terrace. In the plan, you can see plants and greenery shown in the terrace area, which means it can be beautifully landscaped as a terrace garden. You can also use this space for drying clothes, sitting on an open area, open air, and or future expansion if needed. So that was a complete explanation of this south-facing G plus one house plan on 33 by 50 feet. On the ground floor, we have six sit out and a large living room cum dining, master bedroom with attached toilet, kids bedroom, kitchen with a common toilet and wash area, puja room and staircase. On the first floor, we have spacious balcony, foyer, master bedroom with attached toilet and wash area, overhead water tank and large open terrace. The elevation is a modern contemporary design with a stone carrying brick texture, orange yellow color asset, decorative jolly panel and glass railing giving the house very attractive and premium look from the road. If you like this design, visit our website houseplansdaily.com and houseland.world. Also check out our apps, House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Plan Nest and Design Nest app. It is available on the Play Store. Thanks for watching.